Go. What's up, guys?
Hello.
I'm DeMarcus.
I'm Lauren.
And welcome back to our channel. And tonight we're gonna get right into it. We got another challenge for you guys.
Boom, boom.
So based on this challenge we were doing, this is actually a request. Somebody hit us up on Twitter about this one, so this is in request for them, or this is being done for them. And basically what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be coming back with a part 2 to the airplane challenge.
Ooh.
All right. So we'll give it a shot, see how this one comes out, because I know you guys like the first one. So we're gonna give this one a shot and see how well we do this time.
Okay.
Are you ready? All right, guys. So we're gonna do our rock, paper, scissors. See who go first. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Alright, so Lauren, you're gonna go first.
I did.
So we got 3 rounds we're gonna be doing in three different positions. So first one is we're gonna be doing it with hands. So let's do it.
Let me guess. Scoop.
Alright, you ready? You ready?
My back rocking.
You better
Oh my
straighten.
God.
You better straighten your legs out. There you go.
Ow, you're hurting my feet.
I'm already pinky. I ain't even doing nothing.
This is like last time. Hurt my pinky.
You gonna hold me up?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
You
Trying to
gonna,
push back.
you gonna
I'm
hold me
trying to
up?
push back. I have to have my legs completely straight.
I mean, that's probably gonna be best for you to hold me up.
Don't tell me what's gonna be best for me. That's best for me. Right here.
Yep, there you go.
How long was that?
I don't know, I wasn't counting.
What?
I thought you was counting. The way you was holding, the way you was focused, I thought you was counting. Well, I mean, you wanna go again and you gonna be count? Or you good with that?
How long was that?
At least a minute or something.
A minute is that little bit?
Yeah.
That was like maybe 15, 20 seconds.
Alright, so let's say 30 seconds. You have it for 30 seconds.
Alright.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. There you go.
Roll legs, baby.
Yeah. Why you breaking your arms back? Your feet tickling my balls.
Where we at?
I don't know. I feel
Where
like
are
it's
you
been
on?
longer than 30 seconds. Okay. All right.
Where my stomach?
Now you gotta do it with no hands. All right.
Good
Come on.
luck.
No, you good luck.
Good luck.
Cause I know I can do it.
Stop. Get my hands on my feet, DeMarcus. Be respectful of my back. No.
Oh,
God.
you ready?
So you still want me to use my hands to get you and then
Yeah,
let
you
go?
gotta use your hands to get me, up there. And once you feel comfortable, then you let go and we'll spread our hands. Okay. Thanks. I don't like so you always stop so high up on the couch. Why? Cause you already know we're gonna move. All right, you ready? You ready? Let me know. Ready? Go.
Ready? 1,
2, 3. Oh! I feel like when you say let go, you like don't even focus on your legs holding me up. You just literally let me go. Come on. You gotta use your hands to get me up. There you go. Now hold your legs still. Ready, set, go.
You just like put arm weight going, like
I
you're
gotta-
like moving your momentum forward though.
But I'm just doing this. You still gotta hold me.
No, you're not. You like
Yes, I
moving your
am.
momentum forward.
I'm not. I promise you I'm just doing this. And we're gonna be let go.
Yeah. 3 seconds.
Did I do it that time?
No.
Uh-huh.
I went sideways. Go forward. See the difference?
Oh no, I don't see difference because all 3 times I failed. You ready? One, 2, 3. That was about 7 seconds. That's good.
Huh?
That's good.
My turn.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. I jumped up. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. You
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, you won. Shut up. God, wait.
Alright. So for the last position, basically what you gotta do is you gotta pick the person up and do it holding them one leg. And then once you do it for low out one leg, you can freestyle and leg press. So you want to start 2 legs, then you can just like move one leg off. Or do you just want to start one leg from the beginning?
Yeah. I want to have one leg instead.
Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You keep your hands. You don't move. Alright. Now bring your legs back. There you go. Alright. Straighten out. Straighten your legs out. Straighten your legs out. There you go. Alright. Now do a press. Leg press. 1. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. Can you give me 5? 4. Alright. Last one. 5. It's like your fingernail was stabbing me in my hand. Alright.
Stabbing me in my hand.
Okay. Try this one name. Are you ready? You know what?
Oh, like that.
How does it hurt you? I'm the one that's holding it. I'm the one that's holding you. How does it hurt you? Oh God. 1, 2, 3. What are you?
I don't feel like I'm getting up. Ow.
Hold on. Let me do like you did. Yeah. I'll do 2 feet first. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. I'll take one away. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1.
1,
2.
Why are you moving?
Because you hurting me.
Oh. 3, 4, 5. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, guys. So that was pretty intense right there.
Yeah.
But I think we did that one a whole lot better than we did the first time.
Did pretty good.
I think we did pretty good.
I think we did the best on like the third one, like both of us.
Doing the leg press.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that's gonna bring us to the end of the challenge. If you guys like the challenge, as always, let us get a thumbs up.
Woo!
Thumbs up. And also, too, comment down below. Let us know how you guys think we did. And like I said, to also make notification of the person that actually gave me the idea. They hit us up on Twitter. It's Let's Airplane, at Let's Airplane. They hit us up and said to do it this way. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you think we did terrible, let us know too as well.
Yeah.
But also look us up on our social medias, which will be listed down below as always.
Down there.
Down below. And if you thought we killed this challenge and we did an amazing job, then go ahead and subscribe.
Yes.
Go ahead and do it. You made it this far through the video, you might as well go ahead and do it.
You know what to do.
So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join the DL gang and continue to help us grow the channel, because the channel is growing every day. So it's every day.
Every day.
So be part of it so you can have it every day. Like have it your way, but have it every day. That's kind of corny. But alright, guys. So as always, we want to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos.
Yeah.
And as we always say,
What we always say.
we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
We out. We always say we out.
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll see you on the next one. We out. Peace.
And out of breath, sweaty blessing.
Yep, out of breath, sweaty blessings. All right, y'all. We out.